big boys play with the big toys. And this is the ultimate. This right here is the most hardcore road legal car in Singapore. Introducing Caterham Super 7 CSR. Let's check it out. This isn't just rare, it is one and only unit in Singapore. And after spending over a decade in private collection, it is finally available for the next true enthusiast. I really wish I could keep this for myself, but until I can afford to live in a house like this, with a swimming pool like this, chilling on weekday afternoon, this car is simply outside of my income bracket. Inspired by the legendary Lotus 7, but re-engineered with modern suspension, a Cosworth tuned engine and a wide body for balance and performance, this car is 250% more powerful. Also, unlike Lotus 7 that can only be on classic vehicle scheme, this one is on black plates. That means it can be daily driven, but you have to be a special kind of speed maniac to daily this. I have driven hundreds of cars, some of them pushing 700 horsepower, and McLarens, Ferraris, Lamborghinis are all cool and definitely head turners and exciting to drive, but none of them compared to the raw power and pure driving experience that this provides. This car truly awakens your soul. Oh my God! No such thing as a regular Caterham. They are all hardcore. This one, however, is extra special because it's CSR. CSR stands for Cosworth 7 Road Racing. The CSR represents the most radical redesign of the car since the introduction of the 7 in its 48-year history. Powered by a 2.3-liter Ford Duratec engine tuned by Cosworth at just over 500 kilograms, its 200 horsepower delivers nearly 400 horsepower per ton. 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds, that's supercar territory. Cosworth upgrades transform every component: cylinder head, piston, crankshaft, airflow and dry sump system. On top of that, the CSR features F1 inspired pushrod inbound suspension in the front and fully independent double wishbone rear suspension. On the inside, we have full bucket seats with 4-point harness system, MOMO carbon steering wheel, full carbon fiber dashboard and a short shifter connected to 6-speed manual gearbox. This car is an absolute track weapon, which is surprisingly road legal. It took 3 years to get it approved by LTA to get it on our roads, and there won't be any more like this. Others have tried and have not succeeded. Forget street legal. This car is so little that even some racetracks around the world do not allow it. This is how hardcore this is. So guys, if you like this car and you wish to know more about this amazing piece of automotive engineering, or you wish to buy it, you all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.